Jasmine. If you are looking for a plant that smells fabulous in your home, jasmine is the best choice for you. Jasmine plant blooms vibrant fragrant flowers during its growing season that are used for decorative purposes. It also has major application in cosmetic and pharma industry to treat several beauty problems like dark spots, pimples, and oily skin. Here in this article, we will let you know about how to grow and care for jasmine plants. Jasmine is an evergreen flowering shrub that is native to tropical warm temperate regions of Australia, Asia, Europe, and China. They are available as erect, vines, climbers, and spreaders in white, yellow color flowers. Flowers are in clusters ranging from 4 to 9 petals depending on the variety. Jasmine is a popular flower that is cultivated worldwide for its unique fragrance. It is sold out as ornamental or decorative plants by the farmers, resulting in huge profits. For its sweet scented flavor, jasmine flower petals are crushed and used in many commercial beauty products like powders, soaps, oils, face creams, body lotions, scents and fragrance sprays.